Hi everyone. Today we're going to take you through how to create a custom profile preset for your jobs. Simply start clicking on the Profile tab on the left hand of your screen and giving your new profile a name. You can also add a description if you choose to. When users go to make a profile, there are two flow options, simple or advanced. This is the flow for the simple profile, where customers can upload their own sample images to visualize edits and play with the cropping settings. Next, you will want to adjust any of the features to get the desired results in your photos. You can view all the changes in real time to assure you get the results that you are looking for. Once you are happy with the results, hit Create Profile and voila! Now, the next time you go to edit your photos, all you have to do is select the job profile you want to use. If you are looking for a quick profile, you can choose our advanced flow to quickly turn features on or off, but not upload your own images.